Hey guys! So today we're gonna be making slime, and these are our previous slimes. So mine is pink, it's like a nudie color.
Mine is
you can't really see it, but
white and color.
So yeah.
Kind of cool, like that.
Yeah. So we just finished warming them up. So we're gonna be showing you guys a trick.
No, so today we're gonna make some. So
we're gonna be needing some glue.
Some glue.
And for that, you're going to need some activator, which is borax. If you don't have borax, you can use, like, laundry detergent, fruit. Oh.
Okay, we're going to get started.
Sorry. I'll show you. I guess. So first, you're going to take your glue, and you're going to add it on, like, whatever you're making it on. And yeah. So just waiting until she finishes. So we're both making it, but we're making our own.
A bit much. Just gonna mix it on me.
Right. So not too much, and then sorry. So you're gonna just start mixing it in until. So you can add lotion in that.
But we're not gonna add lotion.
So we might add lotion
at the end.
Yeah. So that's how I made our slime sticky. So yeah.
No, if it doesn't work, put it in hot water and like it'll get water.
So like just for 10 minutes. Just for 10 minutes. You gotta wait for it. So yeah. Okay, so for me, I'm just gonna add some borax on the lid.
Already did.
And you can only put like, so you're gonna have to put a little bit at a time. Otherwise, if you just put too much, it won't work properly. So yeah. So it should start coming together like this.
Like, look at mine. Like yeah.
Yeah, hers looks really nice.
No, it doesn't.
When we get inside, so we're just making it outside because everyone's inside, like people in it. So it should start to look like, I don't know how to say this properly. So you're just gonna keep mixing, and then after mixing, you leave for like 2 days. It should turn out like something like this. Actually, overnight, and yeah, overnight with some.
No, not overnight. Don't listen to you. Look at this, it looks like I made it out of flour.
Yep.
Damn.
This is like sticky. And to make it not actually sticky, you're going to have to put a little bit more borax in it. You guys must have seen our video.
No, we have no videos.
The one with the shampoo in it?
Yeah, but we gotta post it. So
yeah. So I'll be posting it.
Stop talking caca.
So if you just add more and more, it will start to come out like something like
so
this.
after we live in different places,
I
live in London, do a cookie.
And I live in Auckland.
So like I'm Maori. So now my slime
is like turned out
like this.
So it's kneaded all together.
Look.
But it's not sticky. But easy
we're gonna
way
put it in. So we're just going to play with it for a little while, and then after we're going to put it in hot water.
And then after hot water, you just put it in the microwave for like, how many seconds? I forgot.
Like 30 seconds.
Yeah. Oh yeah, like 30 seconds.
Okay.
So yeah, this slime should turn out like this one. Because we made small ones, so yeah, this is like, I think this is our best slime was made.
Yeah.
So yeah. So this is like.
So right now we're gonna go put it in the microwave instead of the hot water.
So we are just gonna.
You can't.
You can't put it.
So right now I'm going to put ours in the microwave. Oh, she is going to put them in the microwave.
So I'll just be back.
So put them together. So I'm gonna go be playing on the tramp. See you guys, see that plane? Got the plane. That plane, yeah. Come and help. Wait. I'm gonna start my flip. Which I have failed.
My one had more glue.
No, I had more.
No.
Yes?
I did more.
I had more than you.
Okay.
Which one's the mostest?
It's that one.
No, it ain't. It's this one.
No, it ain't.
I had the mostest.
Sorry, so we're like fighting together. So yeah, it starts to look liquidy, but it's not liquidy. Basically, that's what it looks like for the slime we made. So you're just gonna put it on anything that looks plastic, like these.
Like what she's doing? So see how mine is? It's going stretchy.
Yeah. So I'll just make it stretchy, so because the slime was stretchy.
And it makes a sound.
Yeah. So that's like this big ones. So yeah, I really like the slime we're making because I don't know why, but it's just so cool.
So after this, we're gonna do our slime wall. So I'll be using glue and bricks. She's gonna try and make some with soap.
So, yeah. So another thing, you can actually add shaving cream. Like I don't know. I'll just make it. Yeah, if you have shaving cream, and I'll make it fluffy.
And see how mine's not getting stretchy anymore.
So yeah, so like in a few minutes I'll stop being stretchy. So just like our actual slime, that's not stretchy. But you
mine
can
is, see. Oh, never mind.
Yeah. So you can actually add it in the microwave. So I'm gonna go add them in the microwave.
Don't put it together. Hey, here's mine.
Maybe the big one.
Yeah, I got the big one.
Mine's bigger.
Oh yeah. And I'm gonna play on the chest again. Make a little more.
Okay. Guys, just make a little more.
Make a little bit more, okay guys? And add a little bit of activator.
That's the first slime.
Look!
So to clean it. So yeah,
I'm gonna add mine all together.
So our slime is really sticky. So that is totally okay.
I'm gonna add the sun into this one. Yeah, already added.
So we're gonna. Mine is looking really. So our slime now is really nice and stretchy. So this slime that isn't stretchy can easily get stretchy. So if your guys' slime is liquidy, we can help because you just gotta add some thick slime like this, like stretchy slime, or like other slime that isn't stretchy. To make it like actual slime if it's liquidy. So that is just
Thank you for watching. Bye. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and comment down below, and turn the notification bell on. Ding ding.